My name is Scott Barlow, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Reflexion. We provide a brandable cloud platform for the delivery of email security, email archiving, and email encryption for compliance, sold exclusively through solution providers to the small and mid-sized business and the mid-market. We had a very antiquated website that was really difficult to upgrade. We had very complicated CSS files and imagery that was all part of a larger page, so we didn't have the ability to rapidly update the website, and it was really important for us because it was a very stale look. I don't think that we actually put our best foot forward, and it's important in this industry, especially competing with some of the larger vendors that are out there, the Googles and the Microsofts. It's important for us to put our best foot forward and make navigation, partner registration, partner support and utilities and partner portals and extranets and so forth, make it as easy as possible so that they can download what they need when they need it. The new website from a navigation standpoint has been fantastic. What I find most beneficial though is the back end, the ease at which you can implement a change. Last month we changed from 1,700 to 1,800 solution providers. I didn't need to call my IT guy. I didn't need to get my web, developer for the, the products involved. I went in, and I also give my support staff access to this. But I went in, I changed the 7 to an 8, hit save, and we're good to go. So the back-end integration of all of the various components, from the forms to the social media rig, and all of just having a cohesive solution in place was absolutely fantastic for us. From a graphic design perspective, for us it was important to provide creative freedom to Directive and JoomConnect, because we're so close to the business. We wanted to allow some outside of the box thinking, and the iterative process of hey, what do you think about this logo or this color scheme or this image and imagery for the site and the overall look and feel was fantastic. I mean, you guys did a great job in really identifying what the color schemes were based on our logo, and then taking and implementing our product screenshots in the front page that was scrolling through, which we really never even thought of. And frankly, that's it's embarrassing, because what we're trying to sell is a service and a product to a managed service provider or solution provider. And so having the ability to provide that creative freedom and putting together the graphics was fantastic. The back and forth was very easy to work with. Your staff is absolutely phenomenal. The project actually took about 6 weeks, 5 or 6 weeks. The whole process back and forth was really seamless, really straightforward. And from an affordability standpoint, we wouldn't have done this if it wasn't affordable. We've done 42 conferences this year. Our primary focus is on recruiting solution providers face-to-face at these shows. And so from our standpoint, we didn't have much money left. It was the end of the year. So from an affordability standpoint, added a ton of value for us, because now we put our best foot forward, and we have a very professional website to anybody who goes and visits it. I would highly recommend JoomConnect and Directive to any MSP. It's a very simple, process to get your website updated. The look, fresh look and feel. The back end is so simple and straightforward. You can also allow interaction with all of the social media sites that are out there, and I think that's very important for MSPs. From an IT vendor standpoint, I think one of the most important things is your JoomConnect and Directive is an MSP themselves, so they understand what an MSP needs and what an MSP is looking for when they go to an IT vendor's website. So when Reflexion provided that creative freedom to JoomConnect, it was important for us because we wanted you to provide us some feedback as well during that iterative process in getting our website implemented. So across the board, MSPs, IT vendors absolutely recommend JoomConnect. And if you're looking to get a quick update to your website, to the look and feel, and just have a very professional foot forward, I would call JoomConnect tomorrow in a second.